Hello, my student. I hope you are all well. Today I discuss about birds and their nest. Class 3, Chapter 4. We see in the sky there are many birds. We see in the sky, in the tree, there are many color of birds. There are some small, some big. Some birds cannot fly. Many of the birds can fly of their wings. There are main part of the body. We see there are main three parts: one head, trunk and tail. All the birds have their two eyes and one beak, crown, beak, wing, beast, feet, claws, etc. Now, feathers. All the birds has feathers. We see there are three types of feathers. One, body feathers, and another lower body feathers, and tail and wings feather. The tail and wings feathers are long and strong. Body feathers help to warm the body. They are soft and light. পাখি কিভাবে ওড়ে? Wings, they have wings. Wings help to fly the bird in the sky. They flap their wings up and down when they want to fly in the sky. They fly one place to another for their food. They one place to another place, fly with their wings, and when they wants to upper side or more upper, they help to their tail. Tails move their right, left and upper side to wing. What helps a bird to fly? পাখিকে কে কে উড়তে সাহায্য করে? Their body is as like as a maku or a boat. All the birds front side and back side are narrow and their bone light, so light, and they have wings to fly in the sky. But some bird, they cannot fly in the sky. Some bird can fly short time, as like as hen, as like as duck. But some bird fly in the sky long time and more upper side in the sky, as like as crow, as like as eagle, as like as kite. They have sharp eyes and strong wing. Some bird cannot fly because they have heavy body and they has short wings. Found penguin. Penguin cannot fly. Found Antarctica. Penguin. Ostrich found Africa. They have large body. This is the large, this bird called large in the world. They cannot fly in the sky. Emu, Australia found. They cannot fly. Kiwi and found in New Zealand. They cannot fly. Some bird, every bird has their make a nest. Human, as like as human has a house, every bird has a nest. Only one bird cannot make their nest, called cuckoo. They lays their nest, they lays their egg into the crow nest. একমাত্র কোকিল কাকের বাসায় ডিম পাড়ে। But all the birds have their nest and make their nest. All the birds carrying of young, they lays their egg and sit down to warm the nest all day. Some days the lays breaking out to new baby bird. তা দেওয়ার পর কিছু কয়েকদিন পরে নতুন বাচ্চা বের হয়ে আসে। There are many colors of bird. Some green, parrot and tota. Some white, pigeon and heron. Some black bird like crow, cuckoo. Some multiply color as like as peacock. Peacock is our national bird, or peacock is the national bird of India.